Hello and welcome to part 2 of this My Ching tutorial series. My name is Finnian Reilly and I am the developer and designer of My Ching. In this video I am going to demonstrate two features: how to use the casting assist feature, how to link two or more related readings together. In part 1 of this tutorial I asked the career-related question: is it appropriate to ask for a raise? Let's suppose I asked for the raise and my boss refused, and I'm now considering looking for another job. I might want to ask the oracle a follow-on question: is it a mistake to look for a new job? So first I click on the New Entry button and type my question. For this reading we will use the Casting Assist feature to generate hexagrams. This is basically an interactive software simulation of either the Yarrow stalk or the coin method. To activate it, I move the mouse cursor up to the banner area and click on either the Yarrow stalk button or the coins button. The main practical difference between them is that the Yarrow method has a reduced probability of a changing yin line occurring and has greater probability of a changing yang line. For this demo I will click on the Yarrow stalk simulation. Notice now that the mouse cursor has changed into a question mark and is hovering over the first line. The shimmering effect indicates a state of flux. Now, while contemplating my question to the oracle, I keep clicking the primary mouse button. With every 3 clicks, I get a new solidified line. The mouse cursor moves automatically by itself up to the next line position. The info tags up here indicate the state of the Yarrow stalk piles and changes each time you divide the sticks with a mouse click. Internally there is a software timer which you can think of as being like a stopwatch. Every time you click the mouse you stop the timer on a new lap, and the fractional second, or the last digit of the fractional second, is used to calculate either the result of a coin toss or a division of the stalk pile. So I'm finishing generating my hexagram. The last line. Okay. So now I have cast my hexagrams. I'll add a short note to the entry. So I click on Notes and make a bold heading: Method used. You can call it Divination by Mouse. Yarrow. Probabilities. Okay, now I move the mouse cursor up to the banner area and I click on the Save button to store the reading. Good. So now I will demonstrate how to link this reading to the earlier related question: is it appropriate to ask for a raise? I can only link to readings which are open in a tab, so first I need to go back to the search results and click on my earlier question. Now to link them I click on the entry menu and then I go down to link entry to is it a mistake to look for a new job? Click on that. Okay, so now we can see a new section has appeared, related readings, and we have a hyperlink to the other reading. If I click on it, it changes the tab to the other one, and so I can go back and forth between them. So that about wraps it up for part 2 of this tutorial. See you in the next video.